Hi there, it's Dev Bilal. Today we are going to learn how you can customize these membership plans from the backend, how you can change the prices or how you can make them dynamic. First of all, you need to go to finance and membership plan. In the last video, we discussed about their front end layout and now we are going to discuss about their backend layout. And now in this video we are going to learn about their backend functionality. For example, here when you go to membership plans, you will find here membership plan 1, membership plan 2, membership plan 3, but I have already deleted them, so I will create a new membership plan here. So let's do the platinum first. I will do the platinum membership plan first. The name of the plan will be platinum. It is paid, it is monthly, and the price is $14.99 per month. 14.99. Okay, so for now I will save changes simply. In this video I will let you know how you can allow these fields, and while on the other hand the other fields you can do it on your own. Okay, now the platinum is here. I will click on edit. By the way, you can also change the currency from the backend. If you don't want to use dollars, you want to use another currency, you can simply change your currency from the general setting. Here you will write currency. Okay, website currency is, if you want to use something else you can click on here. Okay. Okay, platinum plan, paid monthly price is this one, and they can, this is the lead price. What is meant by lead price? The lead price should be 10 for free, not for paid members, because they are already paying you $14 per 99 dollar per month. But if you want to charge them a lead price means when a user will send a message to the member, that member can read that message, but he cannot get access to the contact information of that user until he purchase that lead. So if you put the $5 per lead, then they will pay you $5. Then they can see the email and phone number of that specific member in their dashboard. So I will put it 5. Okay, so you can make it no, because we want the public to sign up with this plan, so I will put it yeah no. So it should say verify your email, and after sign up it should inactive account and require email verification in order to avoid spams. Here is one thing, there are some add-ons that are not purchased in this website. I did not purchase them. For example, here you will find a field that will say 30-day free trial period. So there is a free trial period as well option here. So it is not here because I did not purchase that add-on. So those add-ons are here. When you go to manage add-ons, these add-ons are inactive. If I say free trial period, so this is a free trial period add-on. I did not purchase it, that is why it is not saying here something about free trial period. If you have purchased that add-on, then it will say here free trial period enable. If you put yes, then it will ask you how many days you want to allow free trial for a membership plan. You can choose 30 day, 20 day, 15 days, or 2 month or 3 month, etc. So I don't have those add-ons, that's why I cannot select them. Okay, no top category select. If you want them to select any category, you can put the institution here. Your top categories will appear, so I will say they should select by default web development. Okay, their listing should be company organization by default, but they can change it from their dashboard as well. The checkout 6, so what checkout you want them to here. For example, if I want to make checkout 12, then this checkout 12 should also be in these buttons, in the platinum button. Here you see, here it is saying checkout 1. You will read the URL here, it is saying checkout 1. So it is saying checkout 1 here, so that's why you can make checkout 1, but you can change checkout 12 as well, or 13, 14, it is up to you. But if you change checkout 12 here, you can go to toolbox and menu manager, and you need to update the checkout 12 there as well. In the side by side pricing menu, click on edit. I will go to platinum and make it checkout 12. Okay, so I will save changes. Okay, so These are the fields they can upgrade to a admin or general user. So I want them to upgrade to admin account or nothing. If you have multiple plans, they can upgrade their membership plan to something else as well. So for now, I don't have any plan here like feature or free, so they don't upgrade or downgrade their plan. Okay, profile page. You can allow them what should display in the top of their profile, location map, user code, contact detail, etc. Do you want them to show their website link? Yes. Social media? Yes. Street address? Yes. Phone number? Yes. And breadcrumbs and send message button? Yes. Hide website footer? No. Header? No. Footer? No. Show banner ads on profile. So as we mentioned here, no ads. No ads on your profile. So that's why we will say no banner ad. Member can review setting, enable receiving reviews, they can receive review, they can ability to accept and delete review. Here you mentioned that ability to accept and delete reviews, so we will make it yes. Okay, if you want to approve every review by yourself as an admin, so you can put it yes, otherwise no. I will recommend no. So membership dashboard, here these are the forms. Okay, so we will discuss them in the coming videos. If you customize a form and you want to use a different form, different contact form for this member, you can choose another one, but we will use the default. Enable profile photo upload, logo upload. So you see here we mentioned that enable profile photo upload, logo upload, enable commercial cover photo upload. So here it is not saying commercial cover photo upload. The reason why I did not purchase that add-on, cover photo add-on. If you write here cover photo, this is a profile cover photo add-on. I did not purchase it. Otherwise, if I purchase it, it will show here enable cover photo upload. Then you can make yes or no, etc. So show profile completeness checklist, yes. This will be yes. This will be yes. This will be yes. This will yes, yes, and okay. So all of these, this section will be yes for all members, for all free, platinum, etc. Okay, so links to managing billing information. This will be yes for paid, but not for the free. So it will be no for the free plans, but for the paid, it will say yes. Okay. Show manage leads. Yes, it will be yes for both free and paid. Show banner ads in the dashboard. No, because this is a paid member and we mentioned that no ads on your profile, etc. So we'll say no. Okay. Search visibility, are these members searchable on the website? If yes, they will be searchable, and people can, if you want to hide their profile from search engine, then you can hide, but I will make them allow. So zero priority is the highest priority. If you want them to display in the fifth priority, then they will be on the fifth priority. But here we mentioned that first priority in the search results, so that's why we will make it here zero. The zero is the highest, the one is the second priority. Okay, so how many subcategories they can select? We mentioned here list your business in unlimited categories. So in order to make them in unlimited categories, let's say 10,000, because there will be there will not 10,000 categories. Okay, so if I activate all, because they can upload everything, they can upload album, business videos, commercial products, events, articles, etc. So they can upload everything. Okay, so the website blog articles, SoundCloud properties, so they can upload everything from here. If you purchase the pay per post add-on, there is an add-on that say purchase pay per post. Okay, so pay per post add-on. If you purchase this add-on, then it will display here. Do you want to charge them pay per post? For example, a member can upload a classified, two classified for free, but after two classified, if he want to upload a third classified, then he will pay you $2 extra. So that's how it will show you some fields here about the pricing of paid for pay per post add-ons. So I did not purchase those add-ons, that's why it is not displaying me that settings. That's how you can make changes in your membership plan, and finally you can click on save changes. Now let's go to my member from the back end, because I am not going to join a platinum from the front end because I don't want to pay myself $14. So I will go to the back end, and let's, for example, this is a membership plan admin log author. Let's click edit. I will change his membership plan from admin to platinum. Okay, save changes. Okay, now I will log in as this member. When I will refresh page, it will say membership plan is platinum. Okay, so it is saying platinum. I will log in as this member. Okay, so you see here I can upload everything, blog articles, community articles, I can upload everything from here. Okay, so I have a lot of fields here. I can upload my photos, logo, and as well according to the setting that we enable and disable in the backend. For example, if you don't want to allow him to upload the logo, you can simply go to the membership plan setting. This is a platinum membership plan. Go to member dashboard and disable logo upload and save changes. I will refresh the page. Okay, the logo option is disabled. So if you want to disable event and job listing, so you don't want them to upload event and job listing, you can simply go to platinum plan and post publishing, disable the event and job listing, click on save changes, refresh the page. Okay, so the events and job listings are not there anymore. So if you want to remove these publish content buttons or these QR code module or account details, you can simply go to platinum, click on member dashboard, and here publish content quick links. Okay, so these are the publish content quick links here. So I will make it no. I will make the manage listing quick links no, account details snapshot no. Okay, save changes, refresh the page. Okay, so this is looking very clean. Actually, these things are already here. Their profile settings, contact detail, profile photo, about setting as well. So it was a dashboard. That was why it was displaying everything. If you want to remove QR code module, you can simply go to QR code module no and save changes. Okay, so it is not here anymore. If you want to remove or change this badge, find it in the member dashboard or profile page bottom section. Actually, I did not purchase that add-on. Like, so this is a member profile badges. So I did not purchase it. If I purchase it, then it will display here member badge module in the three sections. Okay. So let me show you one website where all these add-ons are purchased. Let me log in with that website. I have that website of one of my client. I'm only going to show you for the testing purpose. This is Alternative Home Pros. This guy have purchased all add-ons. I will go to finance and membership plan. For example, lifetime plan, edit. Okay. So in the start, I update you about one-time setup fee. It is here. Okay. Free trial period, yes, no. Okay. So how many free trial days you want them to 30 days or 300 days, etc. And in the profile page, you can find their badges. So these badges will appear in the dashboard. There's a result page and profile page badges. So these are also add-ons. If you go to dashboard, and you will find enable cover photo upload. This is an add-on. It is displaying here yes no. If you go to post publishing, here it is saying you want them to upload classified. How many free classified you want them to upload to? For the each extra classified, you want to charge them $5 per post. So that's how you can charge them as well. I want to upload them 5 events for free, but after uploading 5 events I want to charge them $10 per event. So that's how you can make them and save changes. So these are the add-ons that are paid by Brilliant Directories. So you can purchase them and check those functionalities. Okay. So if you want to hide someone, for example, if you don't want to display up the profile of some members to this member, you can make them hide the profiles of these all these members for this member. For this lifetime membership plan, you can make it here as well. And if you go to sign up and upgrade, you will see here a lot of referral things, etc. So these are also add-ons. So that's how you can explore the membership plans. So while the same case, in the same way, you can customize the feature plan and free plan. So let me show you what is the add-on here. This functionality is possible with the add-on. Okay. This functionality is possible with add-on if you purchase it. This is a paid add-on. Okay. This is an add-on. Member badge module. This is an add-on. So that's how you can make changes them. If you want to get help with your Brilliant Directories website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Thanks so much.